And we know you guys can find this camper. Hey y'all, it's Savannah here at Cookeville RV Marine, and we're gonna check out this brand new Transcend line. This is the 2027 Grand Design Transcend Lite 121 RBL. And we know you guys can find this camper anywhere else in the nation, but what you won't find is another Cookeville RV Marine. We're family owned and operated. We have the best prices in the nation. And don't just take our word for it. We have 4.8 stars on Google and over 1,400 reviews from happy campers all over the nation. And before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell button to make sure you're notified every time we post videos just like this one. Y'all, one thing I want you to notice about this Transcend Lite is that it's small but mighty. You're gonna be able to tow this with those smaller trucks and those larger SUVs, and everything you need is right here. On the entertainment side of your camper, you're gonna notice you have an awning that spans from the end to the front of your camper, and then you also have an LED strip light that keeps the party going on all night long. What you're also going to notice about this side of the camper is that you actually have outlets out here, so you're going to be able to plug up that TV, the griddle, the blenders, anything you need for that perfect outside hangout. And then over here you also have lots of storage, and it's also pretty big for this size camper, and it has all the room for those hoses, the extension cords, lawn chairs, anything you might need. Okay, so let's check out the inside. When you first walk in, you're going to see that control panel to be able to manage the lights inside, outside, that awning, and even be able to check your tanks. And right next to the control panel is the perfect size countertop, perfect for a little coffee bar, a place to put your keys or even your mail. Right down the side is a perfect little storage area. It could be perfect for your snacks or anything for that coffee bar, and even under there's more storage that could fit maybe even some shoes. And right above is your fridge, and honestly it's a pretty good size fridge for this size camper. Right across from that coffee bar area, you've got a pretty good size bed with a bedroom nook to be perfect for charging that phone, the Kindle, even use a CPAP machine if you really need to. You've got open storage above and below you, and right off to the side you've got closet space with tons of shelving, just perfect for all those campground outfits. In your kitchen area, you've got huge cabinets for your pots and pans, and off to the right you've got a spice rack, a paper towel holder, you've got your 2-burner stovetop, and right below is that microwave. Tons of more storage for anything else you might need, maybe those snacks, just like over here. And one thing I forgot to mention, you've got 4 different outlets to be able to plug in anything you might need to cook up that perfect campground meal. And then right behind me, let's check out that bathroom. On the rear of your camper, don't you worry. You can go ahead and skip those campground bathrooms because you've got a pretty good size one here. You've got a mirror front medicine cabinet, perfect for those toothbrushes, toothpaste, any kind of medicine. Off to the right, you've got 3 different cubbies, perfect for towels or washcloths. And right below, you've got a pretty good size sink area, and there's also outlets behind, so you don't have to go in the kitchen and find those 4 different outlets. You can do your hair right here. And right below, there's even more storage with 3 different cubby areas and even a cabinet, perfect for a trash can. Also in your bathroom, you've got a foot flush toilet and a pretty good size walk-in shower with 4 different shelves, perfect for the body wash, shampoo, anything you might need to take a shower. So if you're interested in this Transcend or any other Transcend on the Grand Design line, make sure to give us a call, shoot us a text, or even find us online at cookevilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.